In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a view from the project browser. Before we begin, a quick overview. The project browser is the panel that lists all the views in your project: floor plans, sections, elevations, 3D views, and more. Deleting a view removes it from that list, and if it's placed on any sheets, it will be removed from those sheets as well. This does not delete your model elements, it only removes the way you're looking at them. With that in mind, let's walk through the process carefully. First, locate the view you want to delete in the project browser. If your browser has a long list, expand the relevant category like floor plans or sections and scroll until you find the exact name of the view. Pay attention to naming and level indicators to make sure you're selecting the right one. If your browser supports search or filters, use those to narrow things down quickly. It's a good idea to confirm whether the view is used on any sheets or referenced by callouts. This helps avoid surprises later. Once you've found the correct view, move your cursor over its name and right-click. This opens a context menu specifically for that view. Right-clicking here is important because it ensures you're taking action on the selected view in the browser, not on any open drawing area or sheet. From the context menu, select Delete. You'll see other options like Rename or Duplicate, but choose Delete only when you're sure this view is no longer needed. Deleting a view is a common way to keep your project organized and reduce clutter, especially in large models, but it's worth a moment to double-check you're not removing something still in use. A confirmation box may appear asking you to confirm the deletion. This is your last safeguard. Read any notes that appear. Some software will warn you if the view is placed on a sheet or if there are dependent views. When you're confident, click OK to confirm. If you change your mind immediately after, you can typically use undo, but treat deletion as intentional to keep your workflow clean. After you confirm the view is removed from the project browser, take a moment to verify it's gone by checking the relevant category again. If the view had been placed on a sheet, you'll notice it no longer appears there. If you ever need a similar view later, you can always create a new one or duplicate an existing view to rebuild what you need. That's it. Locate, right-click, delete, confirm, and the view is gone. Clean, simple, and effective for keeping your project